Born from the viral tortilla trend on TikTok, we give you our version of a Crunchwrap Supreme. From the quality of ingredients we stuff inside to the method of this fold technique, every bit of our Crunchwrap Supreme is here to upgrade your experience.
You heard me right. We're talking about crunch wraps at home. And we've instantly upgraded these by using Certified Angus Beef ground beef. We're browning our ground beef with a little oil in a hot skillet. And we have an entire video teaching you how to truly brown your ground beef properly. That video is linked below if you're interested. Our spices go straight into the pan with the beef: salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin, coriander, garlic powder, and paprika. These spices all make up my version of a quick taco seasoning, but you could use a packet if you'd like. I'm gently working the beef just a little bit, but giving it plenty of untouched time to really caramelize underneath. Once the beef is fully cooked, I'm adding a little bit of water to the pan just to help all those spices pick up off the bottom of the pan. Put it in a bowl and set it aside, and let's prep the rest of our ingredients to start building our crunch wraps. I'm making a quick guacamole using everything fresh, beautifully green avocado, a little bit of fresh cilantro, or a lot, depending on how you like it. I use a little bit of rotel for a quick shortcut, but really good flavor, some chopped red onion, and a hefty amount of fresh lime. I cannot have guacamole also without a splash of Tabasco sauce. And a little tip for your next quick guacamole making session: use a whisk. It smashes everything together beautifully.
And before we build these, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Shred some iceberg lettuce last minute so it doesn't wilt, and preheat a large cast iron skillet while you're doing that. And now let's build our crunch wraps. Cut a slit in the bottom of an extra large flour tortilla. This creates the ability to fold it into fourths. Being mindful of your ingredient placement, start with the seasoned ground beef. Next to that, the sour cream, guacamole below that, cheese on top of the beef, and shreddis next to the guacamole and topped with more hot sauce if you choose. And the crunch portion, a few mindfully placed Doritos on top of that sour cream. Why not, right? Fold the guacamole portion up on top of the beef, then over to the left to lay it on top of the sour cream and the Doritos. And lastly, the iceberg portion, fold it up. Don't worry about the bits you may lose in the process. We'll stuff those in later. Lay the beef side down into the preheated cast iron and let it brown on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Don't move it around. We really want it to crisp up before we touch it. And voila! It looks just like the original, right? Flip it over and gently press down to brown the opposite side. Let it rest for just a few minutes on the cutting board, and you're done, my friends. Crunch wraps at home.
The quality of ingredients in this really changes the game. And this fold, so easy to hold. See you next time here at the Test Kitchen at Certified Angus Beef.